Okay, how's this different? Anybody want to guess what's going to be different here?
You have extra windows.
Yeah, I have these extra windows that I've hidden so that you can't see what I'm doing, but that's good. Okay, so what does this mean? I go here, just watch this. So I say the words and see the cursor is moving along. Everybody's cursor is in sync. This person can say, put a little space here, right? So this is your shared window. This is your Skype. This is your GoToMeeting. Okay? This is the shared window system technology. Sorry?
Some kind of whiteboard.
No. Okay. So we'll get to the telepointing next. This will share any application. So in the previous demo, my IM tool had to, when I wrote my IM tool, I had to go and actually send data in the application, I had to go and send information to the other. The application programmer had to go and support collaboration. Here, I have just taken my first program, the Echo program, and just shared it. I did not make it collaborative. I did not write any collaborative code. I'm just sharing it. Just if you use Skype, if you used anything, you just take an ordinary single user application and share it. So any AWT application can be shared. I'll show you in the next demo. I'll show you another application being shared with the same technology. So this is where I built an abstraction, the shared window abstraction, and I use it to share any Java program. And that's not easy to do, by the way. Okay, and you'll see it doesn't quite work also, because Java doesn't help me enough. I mean, Java was not designed to allow this to be intercepted. Okay? So now I'll just show you things that go. So now if I go in, and this person goes here, and hits enter, and you see it's like the other one, but of course, now let me show you interesting things. So let's go and say here, okay, Alice is typed, it comes to everybody. Do you guys see the cursor right now? Are they in sync? Are the cursors in sync?
Yeah.
This is a swing text field. This is the AWT text field. Okay, and there's fundamental differences in design. AWT is provided by the operating system. Swing is implemented by Java. And because there's a layer between the Java and the operating system, I can intercept the AWT event. I can't intercept quite the events correctly. So of course, this person can go here and move the cursor, but now the cursors are. So if I start writing a topic, because the cursor didn't, for some reason, I've spent about 2 weeks trying to figure out what am I not sending to the other location that makes that happen. But I cannot find out how in Swing that caret is advanced. What is it doing to advance the caret? And so it's doing there's some event that I'm not being able to send. That happens. That causes it to happen. That is why I have these two different messages. This is text field and this is JText field. But I'm just showing you why this stuff can break. Okay, and this is why Microsoft decided to stop supporting NetMeeting and just go and clean it up and have remote desktop as a clean implementation. This is not easy to do. Okay, but we will learn the principles behind this because this is very important stuff. Okay, and in fact, Citrix is the company that does GoToMeeting, right? And they've just moved to Raleigh. So I mean, we hope to go and visit the company and we can figure out. The way I'm doing this is much more efficient than the way Citrix and all do. They send bitmaps. What I'm doing is that what is being exchanged here, you think, between the users? Yeah, just mouse and keyboard events. The windows are created by each application. Whereas there's another way where one application creates the windows and it sends the bitmaps to everybody else. So you don't get into this kind of trouble. And so people who build this kind of technology always had their systems crashing, and now you know the kind of reasons why this crashes. Okay? Now let's try to make it more interesting. Let's go and see this window here. Anybody want to guess what's happening here? This is pretty much. And you will see again the system. Okay. I'm going to see a telepointer. Now this button did not go to this guy, and it goes on my new window. On your computers, it probably will. I have an old Java version here, so maybe it will. But But that's, again, nothing to do with the way I implemented things, just with the way AWT processes events. Okay? And now what do you think this circle is? I can point to things. Okay? A telepointer. Almost all of these systems will have a telepointer. Okay? They sometimes have different telepointers for different users. Okay? Again, you'll do the telepointer, but I've abstracted things enough that you'll just be drawing it, and everything else will be taken care of. But so I've created an abstraction that allows you to create a telepointer on top of any AWT window. Okay? So this is just to make sure you how these things work. And of course, if I go and put the menu here, the menu goes there too. So all events are being shared. Okay? Stop.